Hi there, I'm Holly with Outdoor Furniture Plus, and I'm here with Samara, who works with Three Birds Casual. We are in the Atlanta showroom at the Casual Show, and Samara is going to explain to us when and how and why to use the 3 Teak products that they offer on their Teak furniture.
So say you've had your teak for a while and you want to clean it off, or even if you're just getting your teak out of the box, one of the things we recommend to do is using our teak cleaner. And you'll just take that over with some water and give it a nice wipe down. And that'll get any of the oil or residue left over from the natural teak off. And you'll just let it sun dry and then you'll be good to go. Now say you want to keep your teak the golden honey brown color. The number one thing we recommend is using our teak protector, which is a water-based solution. And you'll apply this either with one of these cloths or even a sponge 2 to 3 times throughout the year, kind of depending on how much sunlight and exposure your teak will get. And you'll apply this on first and then transfer over to our teak shield. So after the teak protector has dried, you'll put the teak shield on top, either on top of the arms, on top of the table, wherever the most touching or food or drink products can get on. And the teak shield will help prevent any food or drink stains from coming into your teak. So between these 3, these are what we recommend.
Thank you, Samara, and have a great day. Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to give us a call.